because of this. But yay! Yay! That looks. Ow! 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 Ow!
Surprise!
Yay! So, I don't think there's anything inside. No. Oh, that's not. We can just. Like in taupe, it should just. Wow! Look at it! Look at it! It's such a masterpiece. Wow! Anyways, we're going to unbox these two albums, and which one should we do first? Everything just slipped out. Ah, you did. It's a freebie, Hyunjin. There is a thank you card. These are the freebies. This is what we did for No Easy. Oh. The pre-order benefit albums. I think this one was the limited one. This was the regular. Okay, I have seen this a lot of times. Wow, look at him. Look at him. How you look so good, man? Lino is looking amazing. Wait, oh my god. Someone looks good. Oh, Hyunjin always. Well, how do people focus? Yeah, do this. Still not focusing. You guys, he has not one but two eyebrow piercings. This is a crime against me. Silky. This version. Yeah, of course. Open this album and see what PC. Never mind. The moment of truth, guys. We got these, and I know, thanks to Pyoja, I know that these are not stickers. These are the stickers. This is the Christmas guy, right? Do you guys see it? Do you guys see the? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna open my eyes at the count of 3. Do you guys think I'm gonna scream? This is funny. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The back of it said. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Whoa! Surprise!
Are there only 2 PCs? Yeah. It's only going to be 2 PCs. Why? JYP, why? You used to give us 3 PCs. What happened? Bang, 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 boom. We'll go through. I'm not going through the. I tried to take the sticker thing out, and the PCs were like right on top of it, and I saw the first PC, and yes, baby, how we do it. Other PC just slide under the tripod. Yo, guys. What is this? What is it? One time I can't pull even a single hand, and then I just PC's like upside down. I don't know who this is. I'm gonna close my eyes, you guys. Oh, Hyunjin! I got insane Hyunjin luck. Happy with my pulls. So happy with the abundance of Han Ji-sung we have here. I mean, yeah. So cool. Just go live on Instagram now. Thank you guys.
Jingle, jingle, jingle all the